Welcome to Luminous Beauty, the place where radiance meets empowerment. I'm your guide on this glow-up journey, here to teach you the hottest beauty trends, confidence-boosting techniques, and glow-up strategies that help you shine inside and out. Today, I'm going to share with you a full glow-up tutorial featuring 4 of the most viral beauty trends of the year: reverse cat eyes, fluffy brows, berry lips, and Babydoll Blush. Ready to have some fun? Okay, let's begin. Reverse cat eyes are trending everywhere, from TikTok to runway looks, and they're perfect for adding soft drama without harsh lines. Here's how to do it. Start with creamy brown eyeliner. Brown is softer, more wearable, and trending for its natural glam finish. Line the lower lash line from the inner corner to the outer corner. Extend the line slightly upward at the outer edge. This creates the reverse wing. Use a small smudge brush to soften the line for a smoky effect. Add mascara to the lower lashes to balance the look. This technique lifts the eyes from below, creating a sultry, modern shape that's flattering on every eye type. Next, fluffy brows frame the face with softness and confidence. Here's the best method. Brush your brows upward using a spoolie. Apply a clear or tinted brow gel, brushing upward and outward to create lift. Fill sparse areas with light, hair-like strokes using a fine brow pencil. Set the front of the brow slightly straighter for a youthful, lifted look. The goal is natural, airy, and face framing, not overly sculpted. Okay, for step 3, let's apply juicy berry lips. Berry lips are universally flattering and instantly brighten the face. Here's how to get the perfect berry lip. Start with a hydrating lip balm. Dab a berry tone tint or lip oil onto the center of your lips. Blend outward with your fingertip for a soft, bitten lip effect. For a bolder look, apply a full swipe and top with gloss. Berry tones work beautifully across skin tones because they balance cool and warm undertones. And last but not least, Babydoll Blush is one of the most viral blush placements online. Youthful, lifted, and radiant. Okay, so here's the best way to apply it. Don't forget to smile gently and apply blush to the apples of your cheeks. Sweep the color slightly across the nose bridge for a soft, doll-like flush. Blend upward toward the temples to lift the face. Choose pink or peach tones depending on your undertone. This technique creates a fresh, playful glow that photographs beautifully. Before we finish, here's a quick glow-up secret: color theory. Color theory helps you choose shades that enhance your natural features. Warm undertones glow with peaches and corals. Cool undertones shine with berries and pinks. Neutral undertones can wear almost anything. Using color theory makes your beauty routine more personalized, more fun, and more expressive. Guess what? This is just the beginning. Your glow-up journey starts now. Did you like this video? Leave a like, comment, and share. Want to learn more about color theory? Check out the next video for a breakdown while watching another tutorial. Stay luminous, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.